Well, para sa Ezra Band from Pequeño, Davao del Sur, we're happy to be the venue para sa Adhikain nyo.
You guys ready? Look, pakita na natin.
Oh. Hello? Anong name mo?
K. K-A-Y-E.
K.
Yes.
K. Don't stop believing you're a girl.
Yes.
Yes, K. Bongga yan. Siya?
Lalaki to.
Yan ang pangalan niya.
Ay, Jan.
Jan?
Nor.
Siya?
Jester po.
Jester. Magkakabarkada ba kayo?
Nag-meet lang po kasi kami. Taga-church po.
Si Kay, kahapon lang po kami nag-meet.
Ikaw ang magpapiano? Siya ang magpapiano? Wow! Wow!
Kahit na yung kamay ko hindi kompleto, pero kaya ko pong tapatan yung mga may 10 daliri. To inspire people.
Akala ko may isa siyang buong kamay.
Rushes along blonde hair. Yet then she asks him, do I look alright? I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Tonight, 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 tonight. Tonight, 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 tonight. You look wonderful.